Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Malinga Sise of Herbal Harvest Organic Farm. For all of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am so grateful. And for those who are still new, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. We are on our way to our 100k subscribers. And guys, guess what? We are soon making it to 60k subscribers. So if you're still new, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Share this video, comment in the comment section down below, and I will be so grateful. Today I'm super excited because we have come with another wonderful herbal remedy that I'm very sure most of you know it, but we do not know it is very important to our birds, and I use it a lot. Actually, this is one of my favorite vegetables that I love it a lot, and this is spinach in poultry farming. We shall look at its benefits and we are going to give it to the birds. And guys, trust me that there are still so many herbal remedies that are left out there that we have not yet discussed that are really very important in poultry farming. And I really want us to embrace the use of these herbal remedies. I want to say thank you to all of you who are already using these herbal remedies, who are really giving me positive, very positive results on using these herbal remedies. And then I've been receiving so many comments in the comment section. So many of you, your birds are sick, but please let us try to follow the treatments that we've been giving, and we are yet to give more. And really let us be consistent when we are giving these birds these treatments. Personally, I was hit before with these poultry diseases, but I was consistent with these herbal remedies, and trust me, my birds became very fine. So when I tell you that if your birds have maybe greenish dropping or they have diarrhea, let us use charcoal, let us mix it with aloe vera. It works. Please, I'm really telling you out of my own experience, and it is working, and for so many people. Okay, so if your birds have greenish diarrhea or whitish diarrhea, give them charcoal, mix it with aloe vera at least for 7 consecutive days. If your birds have chronic respiratory diseases, please let us treat these birds the way we are discussing it here. In that way, we shall really manage this project, because some of you are also asking me whether you can mix these herbal remedies with this modern medicine. It is upon you to mix it if you want to, because it is upon your wish, by the way. But for me here, honestly, I do not mix it with any other modern medicine. I give them purely herbal remedies. The only thing that I'm still doing, especially with our exotic layers, is to vaccinate the birds. So guys, let us look at spinach. Back to our topic of the day, and that is spinach in poultry farming. Spinach contains of essential vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, which are very good in poultry farming, of which vitamin A helps in vision in poultry farming. It also helps in reproduction. It also helps in the bone formation and bone growth of these birds. Therefore, spinach is really very important in poultry farming. It also contains of vitamin K and vitamin C, which is very good for blood clotting, for wound healing, and for immune boosting in poultry farming. So that is why I will encourage you that if you can get spinach and give to the birds, please, you can give this spinach every day. You just chop it and give it to the birds. And also another benefit is that it will also make your birds lay very good quality eggs, yellow yolk eggs, and very yummy eggs. Because of these vitamins that they have, your birds are going to lay very well, yellow yolk eggs, double yolk eggs, and you're going to enjoy poultry farming. And then also your birds will not fall sick, since their immunity is very strong. Since they contains of this vitamin C and vitamin K, your birds immunity will be very strong in a way that your birds will not always fall sick. And then also it will in broilers, your birds will gain on weight. Okay, so for those who really want their birds to gain weight, let us give them this spinach. If you can get it and give to the birds, your birds are going to gain weight. So guys, spinach is really very important in poultry farming. In fact, there are still so many herbal remedies that we have left, but most of these green vegetables that we consume at our homes are also given to these birds. So there are still so many other benefits of spinach that I have not mentioned here, which helps these birds to perform well, which help these birds to become disease resistant, that I want us really, let us look for spinach. In fact, I remember last time I planted spinach at my home, and it is one of the vegetables that it is very easy to maintain. So you can also plant it in sacks, in tires, and you keep giving them to our birds. Let us go and prepare and give it to the birds. So guys, let us start preparing our spinach and go and give it to our birds. Yesterday I went to the market to buy the spinach, and this is how it was. It was tied up. This spinach, by the way, it is also very expensive. That is why I would say let us try to plant this spinach in our gardens. Okay, in our backyard gardens we can plant this spinach and give to the birds. And the disadvantages of us keeping on buying these things, for those who really have enough land, the disadvantages is that once it sleeps overnight, now like this one, I left it to sleep overnight. See how it has got spoiled. So it is better if you have it in your garden. You can just easily get it and you just give to the birds. But if you buy it and you're supposed to keep it for some time, it can get spoiled quickly. Wow. So we shall just first wash it. I'm going to just blend it. Why am I blending it? It's just because I don't have enough. I just buy them. But for someone who has them in the garden, you can give this spinach to the birds every day. You just chop it and you give it to the birds, especially in the afternoons, after when they are finished, when they have finished feeding their afternoon portion. You just get it and give to the birds. So guys, I really want us to know that this spinach is really very good, because I remember 2 weeks ago my son got very sick and he had flu and cough. So I decided to blend spinach. I mixed it with few things like ginger, turmeric, lemon and cucumbers, and then grapes, and I was giving it to all my kids, and guess what, it really helped me a lot. Can you imagine? The flu and cough disappeared within only 5 days. So that is why this spinach is really very good. I would encourage all of us to get it wherever it is and give to the birds. In fact, all these herbal remedies that we are discussing here, guys, they are really very important in our farms. First wash this one side. Guys, today it is so windy, it is threatening to rain, So shall chop it a little bit. Not too much. You know it is very soft, Even all the stems is very soft. Shall just go blend all of it and we mix in their drinking water. It is very soft. Maybe we can leave some and come and do it next. Let's first leave this. Get some water. Let us go and blend this one first. So, Melissa, you blend for us. Wow. So let us also blend the other one. Oh, no, it's not well blended. Bring this one. Now let us put this one also. We're going to blend it. You're also going to blend this one for us, eh?
Yes.
Put little water. Don't put too much. Enough. Cover it and take it to blend. Eh? Alright. So guys, this is our mixture. Now let us give it to the birds. But if you have enough spinach, you can chop and give to the birds. But me, since I don't have enough, that is why one cup. And you give this to all types of birds, because most of you have really been asking me, should we only give to broilers, layers? Give all these herbal remedies to all types of birds. They will really work perfectly well for you. So let us take it to the farm. Oh Jesus. Hey guys, you have to be careful when you need to add that, but I'll put it like that. So let's take this the other side. Woo! See you in the farm. So as our birds are now drinking the spinach juice, we are now going to collect our eggs, but we shall not finish collecting the whole thing like we always do, okay? Someone was asking me that do my birds also lay down, because they can see most of the eggs are inside the laying boxes. But I want to tell you that I still have some birds who are still laying down. Now, like if you can see now in this right corner, you can see some birds are still laying here. Much as not so many birds are now laying down, but you can see others are still laying here. Okay? Then if we go also this other side, I want to show you. You can see some birds are even still laying down. Like you can see this one. Even when we come this other side, where the laying boxes are, you'll find that I still have so many birds laying down. So this one, if you're not careful, you can easily break the eggs. So you see, my birds still lay down. Okay, now let's check. Even in the other corner, you see birds are still laying down. So let us check our performance. Oh my God, guys, Alinga's birds are still laying very, very well. Check. Oh my God. Ooh, my birds are still laying very well. Ooh. Right inside here, birds are still laying very well. Wow. So let us collect the eggs together. I think we start from here. You know, this is my best part, eh? Collecting eggs is what I love most in poultry farming. That's why I really love to do layers, eh? Because of collecting eggs. Collecting eggs is my favorite. But we are not going to collect all. I will not show you like how I'm collecting everything. Guys, you have to handle eggs carefully. Now you see this one fell on the fence, it has cracked here. Wow. But we shall not collect everything. All like this. Now you have to get them gently. Here it's done. Let's go to the next. Eggs are waiting for us everywhere. Ooh. Let us collect here again. More trays. So I will not be able to show you everything. So you can see my birds are still doing well. Now let me just collect. I'll be off. Even up there, in the upper section, few birds have also laid there. Maybe I can show you. See, some birds still love to lay here. Not just few birds, but they also do lay here. Wow. Wow. Guys, I'm really sweating. So for today, that is all I had for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always coming back and watching my videos. Thank you so much for loving me. Don't forget to comment today, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be so grateful. And if you're still new, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Share this video, comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be so grateful. See you next time. I love you all. Bye bye.